In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a mini crayon box custom party favors with Canva. Whether you're planning a fun kids party, a creative classroom activity, or just want to add a personal touch to your designs, this tutorial will show you how to create a vibrant and playful mini crayon box using Canva. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and a great way to explore your creative side. So let's get started. First, open Canva and select a blank design. You can use any canvas size that suits your project, but for this tutorial, starting with a blank slate will give us the flexibility to arrange our design freely. Now, look over to the left-hand side of your Canva dashboard and click on the Shapes panel. From there, select a square shape. Once you've added the square to your blank canvas, stretch it vertically to create an elongated rectangle. This will act as the base for your crayon box design. By elongating the square, we're mimicking the tall, narrow shape of a typical crayon box. Next, copy this elongated rectangle twice so that you have 3 identical shapes in total. To do this, you can use the copy-paste function or simply duplicate the shape. With 3 rectangles in place, it's time to bring our design to life with some bold, fun colors. Select each rectangle individually and change their colors to bright red, yellow, and blue. These colors are a nod to the classic crayon set, giving your design a familiar and eye-catching look. Once your rectangles are colored, head back to the Shapes panel and select another rectangle. This time, resize the new rectangle so that it wraps neatly around the 3 colored rectangles. Adjust the edges carefully to ensure it fits just right. If it doesn't align perfectly on your first try, don't worry. Use Canva's alignment tools or nudge the shape manually to get it just right. This outer rectangle will serve as the box that holds the crayons together. To make the design more detailed, add additional small shapes to represent the lid and a window on the front of the box. The lid should give the illusion of a top closure, while the window adds a fun detail, letting us peek at what's inside. Take your time to adjust the shapes and make sure everything is aligned neatly. Remember, even small tweaks can make a big difference in achieving a polished final look. Next, let's add some text to the design. Click on the text tool and type the word crayon at the top of the box cover. To make it stand out, choose a bold and playful font. Adjust the size and color of the text to match the vibrant theme of your crayon box. A bold font ensures the label grabs attention and complements the overall design. Now, let's enhance the box with a fun graphic. Go to the Elements tab and search for a graphic that fits the theme. Let's use a unicorn, for example. Once you find a graphic you like, drag it onto your design and position it on the box. Adding a graphic helps tie the design together and makes it more visually appealing, especially for kids' party favors or creative projects. Take a moment to review your entire design. Check the alignment of the shapes, text, and graphic elements. Make any small adjustments needed to ensure everything looks balanced and polished. This step is worth the extra effort, as those final tweaks can really elevate your design. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to save and download your completed mini crayon box design. Choose the file format that best suits your needs, whether it's PNG, JPG, or PDF, and you're all set. And there you have it. You've just created a vibrant and custom mini crayon box design using Canva. This project is perfect for creative party favors or fun DIY activities. If you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.